What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Princess Bravo here if you are new, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this gorgeous looking brows without plucking or shaving. So let's get started with this video. So look what God gave her, how perfect He made her. I am going to be doing the soap brows today, and if you guys haven't watched my soap brows video, I will link it in the description box for you guys. But as you guys can see me do, I am brushing my brow hairs upwards using my toothbrush, and the toothbrush is already coated with the soap. So this really helps to hold my brow hairs in place, just as a brow wax or a brow gel would do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it so that you get a detailed video on how to do your soap brows. Now once that is done, I'm going to let my brows dry and I will proceed on to the next step. I will be using this medium to dark brown eyebrow pencil to outline the bottom and upper part of my brow. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my brow. So when you are outlining your brows, you want to use a very light hand because you don't want so much product onto your brows. As you guys can see, I'm using a very light hand, and once you're done with that, you want to go in and start filling in the brows. I'm using the same pencil to fill in my brows, and I'm using very light strokes. Okay, I'm not using a heavy hand because I don't want so much product on my brow hairs, and you are going to have the most gorgeous looking brows. Of course, we have not shaving here and we are not plucking any eyebrows because you can see there are still some brow hairs which are outside the outline that I've already done, but that's okay. You don't always have to shave your brows or pluck them so that you can have gorgeous looking brows. You can always have gorgeous looking brows even when you have not shaved if you are using any brow gel or brow wax or soap. Yeah, soap does a very great job, as you guys can see. So you're going to have these gorgeous looking brows. I mean, they're so gorgeous already and we are not yet done. So yeah, I'm going to be using a round cotton swab to clean off the bottom and also the upper part of my brows because I want to have that nice looking and sharp brow. So you want your brows to look neat, and you don't always have to use concealer or foundation to clean off your brows. You can use a cotton swab. And yeah, so for those people who always don't like to wear makeup all the time, you can use a cotton swab to clean off your brows. Look at that, it looks nice already. It looks so gorgeous, you guys. I am using my toothbrush again to brush my brow hairs in place. So I'm doing those upward motions as you guys can see me do, and this also helps to blend out the product that I've already applied to my brows. Next, I'm taking my silver pencil and I'm going to use that to give my brow bone that highlight effect, and I'm going to do that very lightly and gently onto the brow bone, and then I'm going to blend it out using my toothbrush. Next, I'm taking my black pencil and I'm going to use that to darken the three-quarter part of my brows, and I'm using very light strokes as you guys can see me do. I don't want so much product on my brows, so I'm doing that very lightly, and then I will blend it out using my toothbrush. Now guys, remember that you can use a cotton swab to clean off any excess brow product onto your brows, and you can get the most flattering brows for your face shape. So I'm going to do that very nicely and gently, and finish off with my toothbrush, which has a little soap on it so that it can help me put any brow hairs in place that might have moved while I was doing my brows. Here is the finished look. I think my brows look gorgeous, much fuller and neater, you guys. So if there's somebody who told you that you can't get your brows looking nice, this good without shaving or plucking, girl, just share with them this video, because they were lying. They're just lying to you. You can get these gorgeous brows without shaving or plucking your brows, because you don't have to do that all the time, because it's actually very unhealthy for your brows. So if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Leave a like. Also comment down below any other tutorials or brow videos that you may want to see here on my YouTube channel. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, sharing them, and yeah, subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's comment shoutout winner goes to Zoya Ansari. Thank you so much for being part of the Princess Bravo gang. And as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.